Hi everyone. So welcome back to a new table topic. The table topic is if you had the opportunity to get a message across to a large group of people, what would your message be? If you had the opportunity to get a message across to a large group of people, what would your message be? If I had the opportunity to send a message across to a large number of people, so one thing I would highlight is one thing that message I would want them to send across is be kind to other people. It looks very simple that be kind. We often hear saying someone that, but we don't often practice it. We in today's world it's very easy to get distracted, very easy to compare yourself with other people, look at other people. But be kind. Because when you be kind towards other person, you will realize that how fortunate you are or how unfortunate you could have been. So once you realize that, you start being grateful, you will start helping others, and this will have, in my opinion, vast effect because what goes around, what comes around. So if you help needy people, if you be kind to other people, if you empathize with them, this will all come back to you, believe me. So, uh, again, reiterating, the one message that I would want people to get across is that be kind to other people, be understanding, be empathize with them, and you will realize that everyone is going through their own struggle and wars, and you are not alone. And start appreciating whatever you have. Be grateful. Thank you. Our